All right, now we jumping into more Slipknot on the channel, man. Like I said, man, I seen some of the reaction brethren getting on this one, so I wanted to jump in too. If this is the content you guys like, want to check out the classics, man, be sure to support the channel at the end of the video, of course. And with that being said, let's get it. So much distortion. And he hitting that kick. Hold up, he hit that kick drum with rapid speed. I wonder what the tempo speed is this. Oh my. I'm staying in here. All right. This is hard for my ears to adjust to. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This is hard for my ears. This drums feel like a machine gun right there. All right. I'm loving the drum work though. Once again, it's me and no one else. I can't remember if there was that someone else. Without mine, it's not fair. It's out of my hands and it's shaking. You'll never take mine. Noises, people make noises, people make noises. When they're sick, nothing to do with that, but I do nothing. Noises, people make noises, people make noises. When they're sick, nothing to do with that, but I do nothing. Nothing. It's like everything is coming at me so fast is that I can't even distinctively find a rhythm to this. The way the drums is so rapid. And I'm a person that I can enjoy some rock and roll, but at the same time, it got to have some sense of rhythm and I can be able to follow it. But I will blame this, like I don't listen to this, so my ears probably are not just attuned to it. So that don't mean it's a trash song. That's just me. But this song is definitely not trash by any means. God, oh, so much going on.
I'm not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be. When do I get to know why? The side of what I try. I'm not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be. Away. I'm gone. Goodbye. It's so depressing. Withering away. Take a look inside. My soul is missing. All I have is dead, so I'll take you with me. Feel like I'm erased. So kill me just in case. I feel like I'm erased. So kill me just in case. Don't kill me just in case. Everything around me's mine. Can't see the stars in my eyes. I'm not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be. Splitting and quiet all the way. You won't let me fucking stay. I'm not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be. Is there another way to live? Cause it's the only way to die. I'm not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be. God. No. 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 No, not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be.
If you were staring at my face the whole time, I only caught the rhythm, like that one part where it kind of everything calmed down. I could get some rhythm right there. Man, it wasn't a bad song. I just know it's hard to attune my ears to this. You know, I like jazz. I like Van Halen. You know, it's and I can admit this is definitely way beyond the scope of my ears. Okay. So let me know how you guys feel about this in the description box below. You want me to check out any more Slipknot on the channel? I'll catch you guys at another one. All right. Peace.